Okay, so back at Moore's Meadow, we haven't been here in like 5 months. And last time we were here, we built this floor on our foundation blocks and had to cover it up because we knew we wouldn't be back. And it snows and it ices here, so we want to keep it protected. But today we're back to uncover this thing and then lay out our insulation and then run our flooring, which is 3/4 OSB tongue and groove flooring right there. Actually, it's called 23/32 now or something, but old days it was 3/4. So I got started on that. The frost kind of melted a little bit. It was really frosty this morning. So we've been out here. We got out here Thursday. It's Saturday now, and it snowed on us. We woke up yesterday morning to about 2 inches of snow all over the place, and which we didn't mind. We like it, but it was cold. But in that shed right there is insulated, and that's where we sleep. And it was warm. We had one little space heater and an electric blanket, and that's all it took. And the old outhouse. And my wife Charlotte just cooked breakfast. It was really good. Corned beef hash and eggs, really good. And you might remember we had 2 dogs out here, one a white one, one a shepherd, and the white one I had for, I don't know, about 14 years, I think. And he passed during the winter. So he's not with us anymore. But Petey, he'll be here. Always remember there's Petey's Point. So we got another puppy to train to be out here. And it is a black German Shepherd. And she's a rascal. Right there, yep, little rascal. Yes, you are. Okay, so we'll keep filming each step of this. I'm gonna get this cover off, and it should be all nice and dry, and we can get going on it. Okay, so we got the tarp off, and there's the floor. So we're gonna run this insulation right here. It's double-sided. We're going to spread that all over the floor, and then we'll nail our tongue and groove right on top. So we're nailing off the insulation. This is what it looks like using the button cap nails. Keep it down because you never know out here when the wind will pick up. Charlotte's doing a hell of a job. And she's trying to help too, I guess. Okay, we've got all the insulation on. Now Charlotte is taping up the where they meet. So we'll have a perfectly sealed, insulated underneath. So she's got 3 more rolls to tape from there, and as she's going, we're going to be getting the plywood up there. So that's step 2.